Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make these DIY spring wreaths. This first one is with a wreath from the Walmart. It was $5, and then I got these two sets of flowers for $6 total from Michael's. So that means this wreath was $11. So the first thing you're going to do is cut them, and it's easiest with a wire cutter because these are floral wire, and scissors it just takes a lot longer. So I cut them and separate them, and then now I'm just going to place them. I start with the greenery pieces first, and then I kind of fill in with flowers and extra greenery where I feel it's needed. So I went to go buy a wreath the other day, and wreaths were $40. Now at Michael's they occasionally have a sale for 50% off, so that means they'd go down to $20 or $30 depending on the wreath, but I decided to see if I could make them cheaper. So I went to Walmart the other day and I found this wreath for $5 like I said, and these flowers were $6, so that makes this one $11. $11 for this beautiful spring wreath. Now I'm just kind of coordinating and alternating the flowers, so I do a yellow and an orange and a white, and then I kind of mix it up, and I decided to start with one side and then kind of work my way to the other side as well, kind of blend it in. It's something that you're going to probably have to play with and kind of cut your flowers according to where you're going to put them. So some of them are okay being long, others need to be switched around. And that thump that you probably just heard was my cat jumping off of a chair. So I decided to do two options for you. So after this one I'll be showing you the second one, and I just love them both. So I'm putting up a few of the finishing touches on here, and it's so fun, guys. It's so pretty, and I love decorating. It's so much fun to add a little bit of color for every holiday. So this is good for spring and for Easter since it's coming up in a couple days. There you go. That's the finished wreath. So this next one is the same $5 wreath from Walmart, and then these flowers were $8, so this one was $13 to make. And I decided to do just kind of white and coral flowers, and I alternated with these. Since there's not a lot of greenery with this one, I just kind of alternated with the white and the corals. And I stuck on one side, you'll see, has more of the corals, and then the other side's going to have more of the white. I really just liked doing that, but you can do however you want. You can add the leaves, keep them there, or you can take them off. All of the leaves are removable. So yeah, it's really fun to play with and just add a little bit of your flair to anything that you make. That's why I love doing DIYs, because you get to design what you would really like in your home. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy these. It's so much fun to make, and if you guys have any other recommendations for videos you'd like me to make in the future, please let me know. As you can see now, I'm kind of building up the white side and the coral side separately with just a few hints here and there. And I'm just finishing up the final touches now, and just like that, guys, it's done. So thank you guys for watching. I've included two pictures at the end of this video. I hope you guys like and comment. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Thanks for watching!